Hi, I'm Dave Riggs, CEO of Wybridge Technologies. Today, we're going to be installing our flagship product, the EZM, on this 2017 Kia Soul. The process starts with locating the battery. Once you've located the battery, identify the positive and negative poles of the battery. This will coincide and match up with the positive and negative poles on the EZM, designated by red for positive, black for negative. Once you've located that properly and you've identified a connection point, simply loosen the nut of the connection point and attach the positive lead. Reattach the nut tighten, and then move to the negative side of the battery. Repeat the process. With the negative side. And your EZM is attached. The only thing to do now is to secure the hood and start the car as you normally would. Now you're ready to enjoy more power, greater gas mileage, and lower emissions. From all of us here at Wybridge Technologies, thanks for watching.